Question 8. Here are the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence. 4, 11, 18, 25 and 32. Part A says write down in terms of n an expression for the nth term of the sequence. So we have 4, 11, 18, 25 and 32, and I hope you can see that it's growing by 7 every term. Okay, so that's going to give us our first bit of 7n. Now, n is the position, so when n is 0, our term is minus 3, and that gives us the last bit of our nth term, 7n minus 3. So let's test it. So when n is 5, we need to do 7 times 5, which is 35, take away 3, which gives us 32. When n is 3, we need to do 7 times 3, which is 21, take away 3, that gives us the 18. So 7n minus 3 is the nth term. Now part A is worth 2 marks. The first mark comes from the 7n, and if you've got the 7n and you've got the minus 3, you get the second mark as well. Now, an expression for the nth term of another sequence is 3n squared minus 1. Part B says find the fourth term of the sequence. So our nth term this time is 3n squared minus 1. Now, remember BidMaths says that indices come before multiplication. So we need to find the fourth term of the sequence. So we're going to substitute 4 instead of n. So let's do this slowly. 3 times 4 squared minus 1. So we have to do the indices, the powers first. So that means that's going to be 3 times 16 minus 1. Then we need to do multiplication. So 3 times 16 is 48 minus 1. And the final answer then is 47. So I'll write that on the answer line. Now part B is also worth 2 marks. And the first one is a method at this point here for substituting 4 into the nth term. And the second mark comes from the 47, the final answer. And that's it for question 8.